Hi. Namaste. Hola. How are you, my kids? Okay, I can see that you all are looking forward for some activity. Yes. So we are here with another episode of 3D modeling, and we are going to do some nice activity, kids. And I can see some of your friends are still joining. So let us give them some time before we start our activity. So as a ritual, I have a riddle here. I live in water. I live in water, have 8 legs. I have 8 legs. And you call my legs as tentacles. You call my legs as tentacles. Yes, guess who am I? So what we are going to make today is related to this riddle only. Yes, few of us has joined just now. Let me just quickly ask my riddle. I live in water. I live in water. I have 8 legs. You call my legs as tentacles. So guess my name? No, yeah, okay, yes. Very correct, kids. It's octopus. So what we are going to make today is an octopus with a paper crumpling activity. Yes, with the paper crumpling, we are going to make this octopus. So, without wasting much time, let me quickly tell you what all things do we need. For the water bubbles, we need colored blue color. For the eyes, we need the same black color paper. I have taken this thin sheet because I need very less. So kids, even you can use, if you have something smaller with you, you can use that. Then I have yellow colors, as I will be using some yellow color also. So basically what you want different colors of paper, which are kite papers or crepe papers, easily available in the market, and they should be thin. These crepe papers and kite papers are thin, they are colorful and available in the market. Suppose you don't have crepe paper or kite paper, but you have thin paper, thin colorful paper, that would also work. Basically for the crumpling part, we need thin paper because then the crumpling becomes easy. Then we need glue, and we need this, a thick sheet, a thick paper sheet, and pencil to draw, and a thick dark color sketch pen. That's all we need, kids. We need a thick sketch pen and glue. So without wasting much time, let me just go to my workstation and we will start our activity. So as I have told you, we are going to make this octopus. We need glue. We need crepe paper or kite papers of different color, pencil, a thick white sheet where we will draw. Okay, a thick white sheet where we'll draw. So I've done this beforehand. We'll draw it with you again. Okay, that's all we need, kids. Let us just start. So you are going to make a big O. Make a big O. Okay, and then you can draw these tentacles. Tentacles you can draw in a zigzag form, simply like this. Take a line like this and So just take a wavy shape like we draw waves and just join them. This is, then we'll make the eyes. And then we'll use the sketch pen, kids. A dark color sketch pen we'll use so that the line is visible. So let me just quickly take a dark color sketch pen. We are making the outline because we start sticking from the outline. So this outline helps us to stick within the shape and even gives the shape to the object also. So I've just simply done the thick outline, a black color sketch pen outline. So this is the face and this is the eyes. So the octopus is ready. Now we'll start doing the crumpling activity. So you can see this, that we have to make these balls. So what we'll do, earlier I have taken purple color, now I'm taking red color. And for this, we really need a good number of balls, kids, for the reason we are just going to fill it with one color. So I'm making this red color ball. What I've done, I've taken a small piece. I have folded it like this. See, again, I'm showing you. I have folded it like this. And then I have started tearing the pieces and making balls like this. Just take care when you are making the balls, it should be of approximately the same size. Simply what I have done, I have taken this, same size I have torn, and I have just started folding it like this. I have crumpled it basically. So this is the way we will do. Few I have already done, few I'm making in front of you so that you get an idea how we are going to make it. So we are randomly tearing it, just make a fold like this and tear it. Just make a fold and tear it. Just make a fold and tear it. So this is the way we are going to make the balls, the crumpled balls. Again, I'm going to show you what I've done. I have taken this, I have folded this like this. Okay. So this is a thick, a long size. No, I'm not going to do completely like this. I am again going to tear it like this so that my paper comes out to be approximately, as I told you, it should be the size of the tissue roll, the white tissue roll we take. So approximately that much size if you will have, then the folding and your balls will come out not very thick and not very thin. Just simply fold it, tear it of approximately same size, and so we need red ones for the outer one. We have the pink ones, or we can use these purple ones. Whatever color you want, you can use. As it's a kids activity, we know we always look for bright and beautiful colors. So this is the way we'll do it. So let me just start now. I have already made few red ones here and I'm adding these to it. Then I have few blue ones for the bubbles, the water bubbles, and the few white ones for the eyes. Okay, so let me just start. What we'll do, we'll start doing it, and we'll take care that we do from the outline. Again, we are going to take care that not a large surface area we are going to cover while applying glue. So this much area. Okay, and I will start putting the, just simply stick it. Start with the outline, the things become easy if you start with the outline. So I have applied glue and I have started with the octopus outline, taking care that we are not going to go outside the outline, and this way the shape will also be maintained. So for this, as I have told you, I really need a good ample amount of crumpled balls. So before only I have made so many crumpled balls. Same you can do. Kids, you can make the crumpled balls beforehand, before starting your sticking activity. This makes your things easy. So now just stick it. Once your outline is done, we are sure that we are not going to destroy, or the shape of the object is not going to change, and so we can now easily stick. This becomes our activity easy. Now, when we will be reaching near the eyes, we'll take care that we don't stick near the eyes. So just simply press it like this. See, if your size of the balls are same, it will look good. If the size of the ball is different, it will not look good. So now I'm going to see that what color I'm going to use for the eyes. I am definitely going to use black only. You want to change the color, if you have used different color, you can change. So what I'm going to do, I have that black sheet, so I will, okay. Okay, so as I told you, we are going to cover the eyes and now the lips first, because as we are just nearing to the eyes and lips, so we really want to fix that up. I have made a black ball. I have made a little big black ball. Okay, I will just do a nice roly-poly. Okay, and we'll stick this. Same here, the second part of the eyes. Yeah. Okay. We see the size. Okay, it's same. So we'll apply glue nicely, and we'll stick the eyes and we'll place it. I am thinking the eye is looking little big, so we need to take care that it looks approximately the size of the same. The other side, applied glue again, and then I will stick it. Okay, this is done. Now for the lips, I am taking the pink color balls which I have already made, and I'm doing the lips also, because these are thin parts. We might cover them unknowingly. So, okay, I am looking for thin balls because this is a small area where if I will take thick balls, it will not look great. Okay, I have this also. Just take care thin balls and stick it. Again, kids, you can see I am just covering basically the outline first. Then I will move inside. Okay, so okay, so the lips are done, and now we'll again start covering the rest of our. The moment you see the size changes, it looks little different. Just press it nicely. Just take care that your hands do not have glue, because if the hands will have the glue, the balls will come back in your hands only. You press it. Some of the balls are quite big. I am reducing the size. And stick to the outlines now. So take care of the outlines, that you cover the outlines properly, and then we'll go to the inner part. Just press it nicely whenever you are sticking, press it nicely. So even if something like this or paper is coming out, you can apply glue there and it will stick. Sometimes the extra sheet is there. You can just apply glue. I am doing this side now, then we'll move to the tentacles. Just press it, taking care that the for the smaller parts like these, you just take care that you take small portions and cover them. So these outlines need to be done first, then you can do the inner fillings. So this is done. Just apply glue properly, kids, and you will be able to do it. Just simply apply glue and you will stick it. The ball size should be same so that it looks good. So this is the face and this is the eyes. Now we'll finish the tentacles and the just press it nicely and it will come out beautiful. So basically the body is completed. Now we have to do the, yes, the 8 legs. I ask it, you must be thinking that we are showing 3 because 2 are behind which are not visible. Otherwise octopus, octo means 8 and pus here means octopus leg. Okay, so this is done. Now we'll apply glue here and we'll start doing this one. Stick it. Take care that you are doing the outlines first because you should not destroy the shape of the octopus leg. Okay. Now we have to be very careful because these are, when the portions are small in size, we really need to be very careful. Just press it nicely so that it sticks properly. And one portion is done. Now we'll do this one. Just press it nicely. It's quite simple. It's quite easy also. Taking care that no space is left between. For the extra space, you can simply apply glue in the center where you feel there is extra space and push one of your crumpled balls inside. And we will just press it like this. So this leg, I am going to increase the size to show that it's a different leg. You can just increase it this way because otherwise it's looking like it's a single leg. So we are just increasing the size like this. And even if you want to, we can increase the size and make it little round here. I have basically done this kids to just show that this is a different tentacle, different leg. Okay. Okay, so this is to show you this. Now we do the rest of the part. So some of my balls are a little big. I'm taking care that I'm just tearing them apart and we are using it. Again, apply glue to this and this starts sticking. Just simply apply glue first and start sticking. And for those bigger space left in between, apply glue inside there and you can simply stick. So once the balls are made, it's quite easy to stick them. So always remember, before you start this activity of yours, you need to make the balls first, otherwise it becomes really difficult to do it together and do the outlines first. Now we'll look for the spaces which are left and we'll fill those gaps. Once you are filling those gaps, take care that you press it nicely because then only those gaps will be filled. Okay. So this is 3 we have done. Now we are doing this one. Just press the balls nicely and you are done. Just stick it, press it, and your tentacle, the octopus legs are wherever needed. Apply glue and then you can stick. This is also done. Now we do this one. Till here, some place where they are stick together, we can do the balls together, and that extra part which is visible, you need to like there. Just some of my balls were little big, so I have reduced it in size. And place it. Same way we are going to do this one, the rest of the part. Anything which is left, you can just stick them nicely so that applied again the glue. covering this. Nice. Just press it nicely and your now again this I will increase again in size little bit this way to show that it's a different tentacle. Okay, press it nicely, kids. So basically to show that it's a separate legs, I have increased the size of this one also a little bit, because when we have drawn it, we have drawn it separately, but when we started it, filling it, so the size was so press it nicely. This one, so anywhere where you feel the ball size is too big, you can reduce the size. Showing that this is a different leg and this one is a different leg. Any extra part which is left, you can just fill those extra part. As such, we are not left with any extras space, so I will just quickly shape this also, giving just press it nicely. And this way it shows that this is the other tentacles. Okay, so as such, our octopus is ready. We need to just put the blue bubbles. So bubbles here and there. Blue bubbles which I told you for water. I have made little big balls to show that the bubbles are there. So you can see little big balls are there. And if you want, you can even put very few small yellow color dots here. So it shows that not very nearby, very far. And just 2, 2, 3, 3, not more than that. basically it shows that these are the, and only in these 2-3 legs only. Not here, just here. So I'm just putting 3 dots and I am putting a yellow balls here. Here also 3 dots and here also 3 dots, just. These I have not made it earlier, so I am making it right now. So kids, this is how our octopus is ready. You can see the octopus is ready here and this one. So I hope the instructions were clear, you were able to do it. Just taking care of few things, kids, you can nicely make your beautiful octopus. See, I made this one right now. This I made earlier as I shown you. So I hope the instructions were clear, kids. Just few instructions and your object will come out very beautiful. Once again, I'm showing you. This is the one which I did earlier. This is the one which I did just now. Okay. Just need to take care that the object should have a dark outline. That is one thing. Make the balls beforehand. The size of the ball should be almost the same. There should be no big ball. There should be no small ball. The size should be almost the same. Apply glue on low, very less surface. Do not apply glue together on a big surface. For small detailings, basically, and when I talk about detailings, I'm saying the small parts in between, just do them almost in the beginning. Because if you will do them in the beginning, you know that this space is already, occupied. So the rest of your work becomes easy. Taking care of just these small things, you can beautifully make it. You can use it, this activity, as for your card decoration, for your room decoration. You can cut it and hang it and it will come out very nice. So I hope you enjoyed making it. It was easy. The instructions were clear. So do make it. Do let us know how you have liked it. We are going to meet soon, kids. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.